If you're involved in the world of AI and conversation design, you've likely heard the name Voiceflow. But what does it actually do, and is it the right tool for your project? In this detailed overview, we will explore the Voiceflow platform from top to bottom. We're talking about its core functionality as a platform for building chat and voice AI agents, its target audience, and a clear look at its pros and cons based solely on its official website. We'll see how it facilitates team collaborating on and allows for multi-platform deployment, making it a potentially powerful solution for enterprises. Voiceflow is described as the AI agent design and deployment platform that brings teams together to create any conversational assistant. It emphasizes building at speed and scale, aiming to unify the entire design and development process. The platform is built for a team-based workflow featuring a collaborative workspace, shared design systems. A key strength is its ability to deploy AI agents virtually anywhere, including web chat, mobile apps, IVR systems, and even in-car assistants, all from a single design. It integrates with major large language models and data sources like Google Drive and Confluence to power its knowledge base and AI capabilities. The platform offers a visual, no-code canvas for designing complex conversation flows, making it accessible for different roles within a team. However, for individual developers or very small teams, the team-centric approach and enterprise-focused pricing might be a consideration. The website showcases impressive enterprise clients, indicating its strength for large-scale professional deployments. In conclusion, Voiceflow presents itself as a robust, enterprise-ready platform for teams serious about building and deploying advanced conversational AI agents across multiple channels, with its main advantages being collaboration, while its scale might be more than what a solo user needs. Voiceflow offers a tiered pricing structure starting with a free starter plan for students and hobbyists, which includes 100 credits, 1 workspace, 2 agents, and limited features. The Pro plan at $60 monthly provides 10K credits, 2 workspaces, up to 20 agents, and access to all LLM models. For teams, the Business plan at $150 monthly offers 30K credits, 5 workspaces, unlimited agents, and priority support. Finally, the custom-priced Enterprise plan is designed for scaling volume with unlimited usage, a custom private cloud, dedicated training, and advanced features like SSO and custom LLM support. Goodbye, my dear.